Alright, let's walk through the steps that one of your staff members would go through in order to purchase an app using a volume voucher. They're going to head out to your WordPress site and they're going to click the link wherever you have the plugin installed. And they're going to walk through these simple 4 steps. First, they need to obtain a voucher, then they're going to redeem it, they're going to request an app purchase, and then they're going to install that app using the codes that are provided. So let's walk through these. So assuming we've already purchased a voucher, step 2 is to redeem that voucher. Of course, I have to verify that I'm a staff member. And it's going to prompt me to fill out this form. In this case, it's asking me for my location. This is a user definable field. You can ask any additional information you want. For us, I like to know what campus they're at. It asks for the voucher code. And the voucher amount. It's a $100 voucher, so we'll submit. My voucher request has been sent. Once it's been processed, I'll receive an email. Okay, so I'm done for right now and I'm waiting on an email. Alright, that didn't take too long. I've got my email. It says my voucher has been approved. Paul Wagner has processed my voucher. He's going to be my program administrator. This was the voucher number and the amount. I'm ready to purchase apps. Fantastic. So I'll follow the instructions. Click to request an app purchase. Oh, I've got to log in again. And it's a simple form here with some instructions. Vouchers first have to be redeemed. Well, I've done that step. And then I need to locate my app in the Apple Education Store. That makes sense. We need to know what the price of it's going to be. I know that I'm wanting to buy Keynote for my department. So here's Keynote. Alright, so I've located my app. So let's see what it's asking. It wants the app name, the publisher, in this case it's written by Apple. I'm actually buying 30 copies of this. If I bought them individually, looks like they're $9.99. And if I buy them in a group of 20 or more, it's $4.99. Purchasing for. Now, none of these fields are required, but obviously if I don't provide enough information, they're not going to be able to buy the app for me. So I've given them all of this. I know who I'm buying them for, so I could leave this blank, but it's a lot of copies and I might want to provide myself a reminder of who I'm distributing codes to when they come back. It's just an optional field. This is important though, the app URL. So I need to copy and paste this. That way my program administrator knows exactly which app I am asking for, because there are a number of apps that have apps with very similar names. So I'm going to request, and my app request has been sent to Paul Wagner. Once it's been processed, I'll get another email. Okay, well, that sounds good. I could request another app, but I don't need one right now. So I'm done. I'll just wait for my email. Oh, fantastic. I just got an email. It says that Paul Wagner has purchased my app. Gives me some summary information. Tells me how much money I have left in my voucher account. Step 1, I need to download my app codes. So let's do that. So I'm going to go ahead and save that file. And if I purchased them for other users, I need to distribute them to, here's my note to myself. And I need to include this link. So let's see, what are my instructions for installing this app? I need to log in. Alright, here's some instructions. When should I use this? If I purchased apps using VPP, which I have, and I have those codes, so I meet these 2 requirements. I'm not loading a free app. I'm not loading this on a personal device. I'm not trying to steal apps from the district. Everything looks good, so it says click below to look up the credentials and instructions. So I'm taken to some instructions. It tells me to open the App Store on my iOS device, scroll to the bottom and hit the current signed in account, choose sign out, sign in, use existing Apple ID, and it tells me to use these credentials right here. This is the current enterprise owned account, and this password can change. You can set this as often as you like or have the system set it automatically. So I'm going to use those credentials. I'm going to follow these instructions, and the app will be on my device, and the district will own this application because it was redeemed under the Enterprise iTunes account. Perfect. Couldn't have been easier.